Kern's OptiFlex is a large format, high-performance laser cutting and engraving system. Its capability for metal cutting, acrylic fabrication, and high-speed engraving make it the machine of choice for a variety of industries. The Class 4 design allows materials to be handled from all sides of the processing table. The open bed design gives users the control and ease of use that many enclosed systems lack. The OptiFlex is available in table sizes of 52 by 25, 52 by 50, 52 by 100, 60 by 120, and 80 by 120. Custom table sizes are also available by request. OptiFlex Laser Systems are equipped with Kern's hyperdual motion system. The hyperdual features a rack and pinion design driven by high-speed servo motors on each side of the table. A newly engineered gantry has been upgraded with a powerful servo motor, twin linear rails, and a thick steel reinforced belt, resulting in a beam delivery that provides smooth and accurate engravings. This design offers quick acceleration rates, smooth cut radiuses, and the fastest cutting speeds Kern has offered to date. OptiFlex systems are equipped with quality metal cavity CO2 lasers of up to 400 watts of power. A closed-loop chilling unit is included on machines of 100 watts and greater to properly cool the laser source and maintain a consistent power level. Included with each OptiFlex is a high-performance computer and monitor package mounted on an adjustable monitor arm. Kern's new PDF exporter sends files to the laser system with the click of a single button. Once loaded into the machine, KCAM's simple user interface allows users to set common system settings like speed, laser power, and resolution. An improved downdraft vacuum will hold material flat to the table and remove fumes created during laser processing. The gantry riding above the laser table also features a vacuum system, which will extract fumes from the top side of the material being processed. A new feature installed on OptiFlex machines is an extension bar, which keeps the vacuum hose elevated above the workspace. A blower package including all hardware between the laser system and the blowers is included. An exhaust duct leading to the outside of your building or to a fume extraction system is required. Safety features installed on the OptiFlex include sheet metal side panels and gantry covers, emergency stop buttons, a protective laser shroud, a maintenance shutter switch, and a flashing light indicating when the laser is in operation. A safety kit including 2 pairs of laser safety glasses are included with the OptiFlex machine. Optional machine upgrades include K-Vision, a rotary attachment, and metal cutting. The metal cutting feature includes a programmable air controller which allows 3 separate assist gases to be connected to the OptiFlex. The gas type and pressure are automatically set through the KCAM software. Kern has been providing businesses around the world with high-quality laser processing equipment for more than 30 years. If your shop requires a large format laser solution, the OptiFlex should be your next machine of choice.